Abonnez-vous et cliquez aussi sur la petite cloche de notification pour ne rien rater de nos prochaines vidéos. N'oubliez pas de partager aussi la vidéo et de la liker. Togo, environnement. Alerte rouge sur les côtes togolaises, béninoises et ghanéennes. Nous observons depuis quelques jours la montée des eaux sur les côtes ouest africaines, en l'occurrence dans le golfe du Guinée. Le pouvoir public avait averti dans un communiqué depuis août 2021 la montée dangereuse des eaux sur les côtes togolaises, et les populations devaient s'abstenir et éviter certaines activités, à savoir les baignades, les promenades à la plage ou toute autre activité nautique. En effet, selon les prévisions météorologiques et hydrographiques du mois d'août, les côtes togolaises connaîtront une montée des eaux les mois suivants. La mer sera très agitée entre les mois de septembre et octobre, avaient fait savoir les autorités togolaises dans un message d'avertissement. Ce que nous observons actuellement avec un retard. Ce phénomène s'observe très fréquemment. Selon les données scientifiques, la montée des eaux s'explique entre autres par le réchauffement climatique entraînant l'augmentation de la température de l'eau et la fonte des glaces terrestres. Nous appelons les populations à la vigilance.
Tɔgbe be xɔ ɖe. Nene enua dzɔ ya nyɔnua le aƒa dzi, amewo be xɔ dɔm me nyi fi wo na amewo be xɔ kekekeke. Ɖe amewo fɔ woabe nuwo to le xɔ me kekekeke. Fɔ woabe nuwo to le xɔ me. Ye gbado gbana ɖeke be le soa ƒoa take ŋgba le va ya. Nene be le soa ƒoa me va le ɖo gbaga me ya. Nene be le soa ƒoa me va le ɖo gbaga me wa. Nene be le wo wa. Nyɔntɔ ami gba le kpɔ zirika. Ene be le wo wa. Ehe la kɔndzi va ƒoa ta. Eye ɖeke be nu ya le dzɔ le. Yo, nse me egbe be dɔ. Fi be nyami ƒo nuƒo so ŋuti egbe ŋutɔ gbogbo ɖe. Bena fi ya enua se ŋu le fi vi ɖe. Aƒe ya fi ya ame ko le aƒea me wo kekeŋ to le aƒea me vɔ. Ba wa be exɔa ŋutɔ tsã ɖewo le de zingia le dzi wa, kapitawo le exɔa tame wa. Wo le de zingia le xɔa dzi. Wo le de zingia le xɔa dzi kusu bena ne nena wa be nuwo kekeŋ wa, enuwo le tsrɔ̃e wa. Enuwo le tsrɔ̃. Ezu be dɔ da asi ye. Ɖeke mi gblɔ ɖo mi ɖo miama wɔ ŋuti dɔ ne mi. Fi ya sɔsɔ wotrɔ ya ame ɖewo le ƒote agba le kati fi wo. Ema ƒoa ye gba le va ya. Va ya. Ye gba le va gba va le ɖo gbaga me wa. Ye gba tɔ edzi wa. Nya bena de nua la o reke o.
Bo bien to lo be nya.
Ma yi tɔjú. Ma yi.
Bí ó lè kéde ọdún sọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ ọdún ẹgbẹ́ ayọ́ mi ó bí.
Yẹn náà gbé bí oúnjẹ ìtọ́jú.
Ọgbà.
Ọgbà.
Àwa òjò pé àwa ọ̀yẹ́ ká yíyá.
Ẹni sì àgbọn ọ̀gbọ̀n mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ mú.
Àpò ọ̀sẹ̀ náà pọ̀ ló bẹ̀.
Àpò ayé. Àpò ayé kéńgbò ẹ má nyá ọ̀rọ̀. Àpò ẹ̀ dẹ́gbẹ̀ gblẹ̀ má nyá ọ̀.
Tó àfẹ́fẹ́ káká bẹ̀ kọ́ ló jẹ́ jẹ́mẹ́ mọ́nú ẹ̀. Tó jòrò bẹ́ fún akéké yọ wa.
Ɖeke be nu ya tɔ edzi so fofo me ga bene be ga tɔn kufa. Eye ɖeke be aƒoa tɔ edzi. Ebe tɔ ame ɖo ɖeɖe vɔ ame ɖewo mu nya kaba o. Si ya egble nu sugbɔ na mo. Ke ŋgɔ keke ame ɖewo la va fún esikpo va kpɔ le woabe xɔ me. Ɖeviwo tsi si me ame ɖewo be nua esia kɔ si enuwo sɔdzo. Ɖeke enua le yi dzi le hi la kɔndzi ya. Kɔa egbe be ŋkeke ya ame kowo le hi la kɔndzi va ƒoa ta alo tɔ to va yia ya. Enua mu dɔn va dzi o. Mu dɔn va dzi kurantɔ. Egbe ya so fɔfɔ me gatɔn wa wo mu dɔn keke ka ŋu ya ko. So zame vɔ ɖeke enua le ɖo ami ma te ɖe mi dzi be xixia me ne kɔ. Kangba ne mi ade ɖeke be nua nya sɔ no fiɔ mi. Ko le yi dzia Waouh, yoro.
Côté Ghana. Des milliers de personnes se retrouvent sans abri. La mer a emporté tous leurs biens. L'assemblée municipale de Keta est toujours en état de choc lorsque les habitants d'Abusiakope, Kedzikope, Agokeji, Keta Central et d'autres communautés voisines se sont réveillés en pleine mer le dimanche matin. Ce n'est pas la première fois que les habitants de Keta sont déplacés par la mer. Ils ont toujours réclamé la construction d'une défense contre la mer à certains endroits de la ville et ont toujours attendu l'achèvement du projet, mais en vain. Abusiakope, Kedzikope, Agokeji et Keta Central sont largement touchés, les résidents sans abri n'ayant plus rien à sauver. Ici Agokeji.
This is the new school building that they have built when the Tada had destroyed the old school building. And this is Agokeji, where they have located the new school. The situation is very severe this morning. It has struck again. It has struck again. The sea has destroyed the building. This is how it is. From the sea to the building now, it's just a few meters. I've been saying this for several times, for some years back, for some decades now, that when they think that they are relocating the school to this area, and that place is not protected, this is what will happen. Reality has come to fulfill. I'm a prophet of doom. I've said it before. When they don't protect that area, this area too will be affected. Now it has come to pass. Look at the situation now. This is the situation in Fuvama. Now nothing can be done now. The situation is getting out of hand. The situation is getting out of hand. The situation is getting out of hand. Look at it. Look at it. The whole Agokeji has been submerged. The area has been submerged by the Tada of this morning. This morning. This is the situation. This is the situation. You can see it yourself. Live and color. This is Agokeji Newtown. This is where the people used to lodge in the community. Agokeji. And this place to have been destroyed by the wave.
Hi, good morning. My name is Joel Deg. I'm reporting from Kedzikope in the Keta municipality of the Volta region. Where I am now is called the Lost Gym, one of the popular gyms around town in Keta. I'm reporting from the premises of this beautiful gym. And you can see that I'm walking through water. The entire premises have been taken by seawater. The raging waves of this dawn have swept through this compound, through this gym, a popular place with a basketball court here. You can see children in the foreground swimming and playing in the water here on the compound of the gym. Here is a very pathetic situation this morning. A whole compound flooded. Remember, there is a school here, and the entire place is underwater. Water all over. As I report, I'm going through water. You can see the children swimming in the water. In the premise, I'm talking about the Lost Gym here in Kejikope, a popular place, popular venue for sports lovers. So this is the situation here at Kejikope this dawn. That's the main building in the foreground and surrounded by water all over. You can see children playing in the water. The whole place is underwater. Total devastation here. It's a total devastation from the tidal waves that swept through town this morning. It's water all over, water everywhere. The entire compound taken by water. No place is left. The entire compound. Over 100 meters by 70 meters compound taken totally by water. You can see all over, water all over. It's water all over. Water everywhere. You can see children playing in the water. It's water here at Kejikope, and this is just the front stage of this place. The water has come and taken over the entire place. And the water has gone through town over 350 meters into town. Just about 40 meters away from the main road at Kejikope. Remember, this compound has a school. And once the floods have taken over the compound, the school compound, there's no class today for the preschoolers. Everywhere taken, everywhere, everywhere. The entire compound taken, everywhere, water everywhere. Oh, it's a total devastation here at Kejikope. We are calling on government, we are calling on Ministry of Works and Housing, Ministry of Interior, philanthropists, donors, embassies, foundations to come and help the people of Kejikope. It's a total devastation here. A total devastation. Yeah, water has swept through the entire compound here and gone out. So this is the situation here in Kejikope, Keta. Look into the foreground, water. Water all over. Water everywhere. So this is the situation, and government should come to the aid of the people. On this note, I want to thank you for your attention. From Kejikope, in the Keta municipality of the Volta region, my name is Joel Deg, reporting.
Likez la vidéo si ce n'est pas déjà fait. Laissez aussi votre point de vue en commentaire.